Welcome to the demo of ISIM, Infrastructure and Service Information Model and Database used in the Resilmesh project. ISIM is a central database for the situation assessment plane, and its main goal is to organize various pieces of information on cyber assets. ISIM uses the Neo4j graph database as a back-end because of the complexity and heterogeneity of data in it. Graphs are easily extensible, easy to visualize and comprehensible to human analysts. There are also two APIs facilitating access to the data: REST API for predefined queries and GraphQL for user-defined queries. Let's continue with an overview of the data stored in Neo4j. Various nodes represent entities, while edges represent links between them. The edges represent relationships like a service being hosted on a specific IP address or vulnerability affecting a specific software version found on such service. A complex graph of a network may have thousands of nodes and edges, with the data provided by a plethora of tools. Let's zoom in to see detailed examples. We will follow a sample path in the data. We will start with an IP address that was discovered by the map scanner. We can see it connected to nodes representing the host. The scan also found that there is an open port on this host and fingerprinted the service behind it. Lists of running hosts and services are provided by network scanners that also fingerprint them and estimate software running on them. Another tool then looks up vulnerabilities affecting the particular software and enriches the graph. The fingerprints of operating systems or services, provided in the CP format, are matched against the National Vulnerability Database if there are any CVs associated with it. If so, they are added to ISIM as new nodes. Again, the vulnerabilities also have states indicating whether the vulnerability is newly found, being processed, or resolved. Users can also assign hosts to subnets and organization units or identify parts of critical infrastructure, thus providing additional perspective to the cyber assets. There are more layers and domains modeled in ISIM, such as mapping the critical infrastructure or linking the history of cyber incidents. You can find more on them in videos on other Resilmesh tools. Thank you for watching.